So, do you call a person that has blocked your number? So watch the full video. Someone has blocked your number, but you still want to call them. Before you proceed, think about why the person blocked your number. Make sure that you won't be bothering anyone and opening yourself up to harassment charges. If you're calling for legitimate reasons, read on for a few ways to get around the block. So let's start. Calling from your own number. Disguise your caller ID. This keeps the receiving phone from knowing who is calling. Your number will not appear, and your ID will be listed as hidden. To disguise your caller ID on iOS, iPhone, go to your Settings app. Next, go to the Phone section of the settings, and select Show My Caller ID. Then, slide it to the off position. 1. For Android, go to Settings, then Call Settings. Now click on Additional Settings, then Caller ID. Then, select Hide Number. Your calls will remain anonymous and you can bypass the blocked list. Dial *67. This code will block your number so that your call shows up as an unknown or private number. Enter the code before the number that you're dialing, like so, 674082214X. This may work on cell phones and home phones, but it won't necessarily work on businesses. Download an app that gives you a random phone number. If you have a smartphone, you can download one of various free apps that will assign you a randomly generated phone number. You can use this number for the purpose of texting and calling within the app, and you may be able to use it to call people that don't use the app. This is generally a reliable method of calling a person that's blocked your number. One advantage to this method is that the area code is also randomly generated. Thus, the person will not suspect where the call is coming from. Call a landline. Many land-based home phones do not allow you to block numbers. If you know the person's home phone, try giving them a call. Change your number. Contact your service provider and ask about changing your phone number. You may need to pay a nominal fee. This may not be the easiest choice unless you plan to replace your phone soon. Bear in mind that if you give this person reason to do so, he or she can always block your new number. So, this is all for this video. Hope you like it. Share it with your friends. And if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye.